TQCQ, Kilo 4 Sierra Delta Victor, Kilo 4, Sheriff's Deputy, Vance County, QRZ. Welcome to QSO. What a cop. Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Tony, K4SCV. We just got done installing and making video for, let's see, the Alpha 148-20 Tango. 2-meter vertical and horizontal Yagi antenna. 10 elements vertical, 10 elements horizontal. And stay tuned. And very short video, but I hope you enjoy it. This is Kilo 4 Sierra Delta Victor saying peace. Oh, good morning, YouTube. It's Tony, K4STV. And we are finally complete here. Okay, for those that are wondering, this is a 20 element Yagi. I have 10 elements horizontal, 10 vertical. And it's finally assembled. The instructions weren't that great. There's our gamma matches there. Here, we've connected our coax, and as you see, there's a little bit of dielectric grease. So what I did was I put, obviously, dielectric grease on the threads, not the center pin. Connected everything together, got it nice and tight. Then we generously applied dielectric grease to the outside of the coax connector and the remaining threads, and then we put some heat shrink on it and we heat shrinked it because I don't plan to come back to revisit this anytime in the future. The jumpers I made are made from RG213, by the way, if anyone was wondering. And now we get to this part of the antenna. This is going to be our rotating loop. I got the blue tape there so that I know that blue horizons horizontal. So this is the horizontal coax, that's the vertical coax. So it'll connect to a switch, and then I can switch back and forth between the two. Now, we got to get it up there on that rotator. Haven't figured that part out yet. And in case anyone's wondering what the black sticks are behind me, those are the fiberglass poles for a K4 KIO hex beam that I recently took down because, as we know, I build all my own antennas. Let's see if we can find it. There's a 20-meter double bazooka there. Oh, we'll pan out over here. I have just about 2.5 acres. Let's see what else we could bring into view. Zoom in. You can barely see it, but that's a 10-meter double bazooka. Is there anything else we could zoom in on? Well, hold on. That's not the bazooka. That's the element for it. There's a 10-meter double bazooka. It's right there. And, well, no. That's our 40-meter. So let's pan back over. Sorry, trying to look through this little screen. Oh, yeah, right there. There's our 10-meter. And there's our 40-meter. And somewhere up in there somewhere, there's an 80-meter. And if we go for a long shot up that tree, we got the right tree. Yeah, we got the right tree. So going all the way up there, we can see the coax going. It goes all the way up there. Can't see through the canopy, but 160-meter double bazooka. And we'll spin down, pan around. That's the corner of the house. Oh, and there's our DX Commander. So we'll be back as soon as I get this wrestled up on the roof. Okay, ham radio fans, K4STV, we're back. And ta-da! There we go. So now that we got this up, we're going to go check the SWR. We're also going to, while I'm out in the heat, might as well stay out in the heat. We're going to fix the 160 meter double bazooka. As you see, I have lots of trees, lots of tall trees. 125, 130 feet, 135 feet, 140 feet. So, no need for a tower. Hence why my DX Commander doesn't work so well, because, you know, got these trees sucking up all that vertical RF. So, but the double bazookas do a fantastic job, and they're amazing on the band that they're built for, and even on some that they're not built for. We get down to 1-to-1 on the 160, and if we bring it to 10 meters, it's 1.7, the highest across the band. But it doesn't outperform. Well, let me zoom in on it. There's a 10 meter right there. That's 10 meter double bazooka. We got a headphone antenna right there for 2 meter. We also have an omnidirectional horizontal antenna. Directly, yeah, right there. That one, that's our 10. That's our 40. Somewhere around here is the 80. I'm trying to look for it. See if I can see it. It's here. Some of these wires are just so hard to see. They're just so well hidden. But that coax right there, if we just follow that up, and it just keeps going up, 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 and up. And there's our 80 meter double bazooka. And that one coax right there, the other ones will disappear. We come across top of the DX Commander, and it goes up, 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 and there's where our 160 is. So it's up. Let's go. Let me repair the 160 meter element first, because I got these huge branches that in storms, the other antennas have been fine. It just want to land on the same leg of the same antenna over and over. And yeah, so this is about my third or fourth repair of this antenna in less than 2 months since I put it up. But we're going to go ahead and repair it and get it back on the air, because without a tuner, it's an amazing antenna on 160 meters. So with that being said, let me go handles that right quick. And when we're done, yeah, this doesn't even give you an idea of the size of the property. I mean, there's one of my patrol vehicles right there. And next to the Volvo, next to the Corvette, next to the Blazer, and you can't see the Impala from here. But let me go knock that out, and then we'll come back and we'll do a video and see what the SWR looks like on the Nano. K4STV, be right back. Okay, hey guys, we're back. Here's what the SWR looks like across the band. So that's all the way down to the left is 144, and all the way at the end is 148. And I think it's like a 1.25, the highest. And that's on the vertical. So let's switch to the horizontal. Reach over and grab the antenna switch. And that's where we're at on the horizontal. And the SWR does change a little bit as you rotate or gyrate the antenna, but not very much. Never more than, I think, 1.30. So yeah, I would say that she's a keeper. So until next time, this is Tony, Kilo 4 Sierra Delta Victor, saying peace, man, till we make the next video. Y'all be good and enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. With that being said, God bless the United States Armed Forces, all that have served, all that are serving, and those that will serve in the future. And let's remember the ones that never made it home. Thank you. God bless.